Very good morning, students. I hope my voice is audible to all of you.
Good
Yes, sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Just a little bit brief what we had done yesterday. Dear students, we have started with active filters. In active filters, we have proceeded with the very basics of what is filtering, what are the various categories of filtering, what is low pass filter, what is high pass filter, what is band reject filter, etc. During this explanation, we had started with few terminologies, that is FL, FH, FC, etc. That is cutoff frequency, lower cutoff, higher cutoff, etc. We had further started with first order low pass Butterworth filter. In this first order low pass Butterworth filter, we had done a combination of RC network along with op-amp circuit, operational amplifier circuit. We started with the very basic definition, and further we have started deriving what is the voltage at non-inverting terminal in terms of V1 is equal to minus JXC divided by R minus JXC V in. We put this value of V1 in our overall gain of the circuit of non-inverting output gain. Non-inverting output gain is V naught equals to 1 plus RF upon R1 multiplied by V1. We had done this derivation. Now we are moving further to understand the closed loop voltage gain. I hope the circuit, the equation is visible to you. It is ACL equals to V naught upon V in. Is the equation visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So V naught upon V in, where what is V naught, what is V in, how to put these values, please see the equations further. It is basically AF divided by 1 plus J F upon FH. Over here, there is a equal to sign. This is a equal to sign, that is equal to AF divided by 1 plus J F upon FH. I hope now it is visible. This is a equal to sign over here. So now moving further, AF is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1. That is feedback gain is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1 because it's a non-inverting output, non-inverting circuit. Extremely sorry. I would like to say one more thing over here. F is the frequency of the input. FH that is shown in the equation is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi RC. That is high cutoff frequency. High cutoff frequency 1 divided by or 1 upon 2 pi R into C. So FH or FC is same over here. I repeat, FH or FC is same over here. Proceeding further in this equation, V naught upon V in is equal to absolute value is equal to AF divided by square root of 1 plus F upon FH whole square. So if we calculate the magnitude as well as the phase part is this tangent inverse of F upon FH. Now we go for case number 1 where F is less than FH. So in this particular case, V naught upon V in, V naught upon V in would be approximately equal to how much? If F is less than FH, from this equation, if f is less than fh, what is the absolute value of v naught upon v in? Please let me know.
AF by root 2.
Sir, f is not equal to fh. F is less than fh.
AF.
Yes, it is approximately equal to AF only. So when I say F is less than FH, I repeat, when I say F is less than FH, that means we are talking about very low frequency. Please note down, at very low frequency, that is F is less than FH, V naught upon V in is approximately equal to AF. Is approximately equal to AF. Please note down case number 2. As we have already discussed, when F is equal to FH, then absolute value of V naught upon V in is equal to AF upon root 2. What is 1 divided by 1.414? Dear students,
0.707.
Correct. Okay. So V naught upon V in is equal to 0.707 AF. Now, case number 3, when F is greater than FH, V naught upon V in would be less than AF. Would be less than AF. So, by these 3 cases, we came to know that LPF, that is low pass filter, has a constant gain from 0 hertz to FH value. From 0 hertz to FH value. And at FC, that is at FH, the gain is 0.707 AF. Correct? And once that limit is crossed, the gain starts decreasing. Getting it? Dear students, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
53 number, can you repeat my point? "53 number, can you repeat my point? 53,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat my point?
No, sir.
What were you doing? "53 number,
Yes,
it
sir.
is, repeat the point that I have just told. ખબર છે ને ઓનલાઈન માં રેકોર્ડિંગ થાય છે ને રેકોર્ડિંગ આગળ સુધી જશે.
ખબર છે.
વેરી ગુડ. બોલો હવે 3 કેસ કયા કયા છે?
F is less than FH.
ઓકે,
So V naught upon V in is
વેલ્યુ નથી
approximately
જોઈતી.
AF.
3 કેસ કયા કયા છે?
F case 2 F is equal to FH and case 3 F is greater than FH.
સો હવે F is equal to FH પહેલા જ્યાં સુધી કટ ઓફ ફ્રીક્વન્સી રીચ ના થાય ત્યાં સુધી V naught upon V ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? 52 નંબર અનમ્યુટ કરો. 52 નંબર અનમ્યુટ કરો. "52 number, please unmute yourself. I repeat, 52 number, please unmute yourself. 56 number, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, can you just explain what I have just explained right now?
In the low pass filter, there is a
Yes.
constant value f0, frequency at 0 hertz to reach up to fh. Then the output is approx to fh, af. And the frequency is equal to fh, then the output is 0.707 af, and the frequency f is high, then fh, then the output is decreasing.
Okay. So guys, basically we can say one thing, that as per the graph that we had drawn, for the values below FC, our V naught upon V in is approximately equal to AF only. Once FC value is reached, our gain, that is V naught upon V in, is 0.707 AF. But after that cutoff value, our gain is decreasing. Correct? Do you agree, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as you can see in the graph, when our frequency is increasing tenfold, that is 1 decade, our gain is decreasing by 10. Our gain is decreasing by 10. Up till this point, or ideally this point, our V naught upon V in is a constant value. But once this point, or ideally this point and practically this point is reached, slowly we are seeing a decay, a decrease, a fall in our V naught upon V in value. And that fall is being recorded. So once the frequency is increasing tenfold, that is 1 decade, our gain is decreasing by 10. So for values of F is equal to FC, because gain of filter at this frequency is down by 3 dB. See, the gain is down by 3 dB from 0 hertz. From 0 hertz, it is down by 3 dB, minus 3 dB. So it is 20 log 707. That can be seen. Fine. So this was the basic explanation about first order low pass Butterworth filter. Now, away, this is totally theoretical part. Away in a questions કેવી રીતે પૂછાય છે? How in examination these kind of topics are being discussed or being asked. So guys, what it is being asked is we need to design first order low pass filter. So for designing a first order low pass filter, we must know what are the steps that must be followed. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
have drawn the graph. So can I move on to the filter designing steps?
1 minute, sir. Baki.
Okay. Complete the graph so that I can start the filter designing steps. I request all of you. Once you have done, please do let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. So guys, we were discussing about filter designing steps. The first thing in filter designing steps is we must know that which kind of filter we are going to design, whether it's a high pass, low pass, band reject, etc. Secondly, which order it is. So once we are able to clarify this thing, then we will design the filter first. So for designing it, we must know what is FC value. What is FC? FC is cutoff frequency. So first step for designing a filter is choose a value of high cutoff frequency, that is FC. Choose a value for f of c. Okay. Getting my point? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Secondly, select a value of capacitor which is less than or equal to 1 microfarad, which is less than or equal to 1 microfarad. Third step is, since now we are having the value of FC as well as the value of C, we can now calculate the value of R, that is resistance. So calculate R, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC into C, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, fourth step is to choose the value of R1 and RF by what is the desired gain. આપણને desired gain આપેલો હશે અને desired gain ના આપેલો હોય તો R1 અને RF ની value આપેલી હશે. Either way. So in this particular way, we need to calculate the things. Okay. So based on this, let us start certain numericals about designing a low pass first order Butterworth filter. Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, based on it, we are proceeding for designing a first order low pass Butterworth filter. Fine. Please note down the numerical. I repeat, please note down the numerical. Design a low pass filter. Design a low pass filter at a cut off frequency of 1 kilohertz with pass band gain 2. ચલો કરો ડિઝાઇન. ડિઝાઇનિંગ નો અર્થ એવું છે કે ફાઇનલી આપણે સર્કિટ પણ બનાવવાની રહેશે. We must be able to design the circuit also. Okay. Prachi, can you hear me? Prachi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Madam, try to join the lectures in time.
Okay, sir.
Dev, can you hear me? 26. 26. 26. Who is 26? Okay. So guys, what is the value of FC over here?
1 kHz.
1 kilohertz. Let us assume a particular value of C. So what is the value that you have assumed?
0.1 microfarad.
Okay, chalse. Calculate R. Hello.
Sir, 1600. 1600.
हाँ, એટલે
Approx.
16 કિલો ohms, 16 કિલો ohms ની આજુબાજુ
Yes, approx.
એપ્રોક્સ. હવે આ જે વસ્તુ આવી છે ને, the reason is pass band gain કેટલો છે? 2 છે, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Pass band gain is nothing but AF. If AF is equal to 2, so આપણે જોડે non inverting circuit છે guys. Non inverting circuit means 1 plus RF upon R1 is equal to AF. ऋतु समझाए छे? अनिकेत, ऋतु, अनुभव?
यस सर।
बेटा समझ में आ रहा है ना?
यस सर।
AF is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I say 2 is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1, that clearly means R1 is equal to RF.
Yes, sir.
So let us assume or choose a value of R1 and RF. Let R1 and RF be equals to 10 kilo ohm. So now the next step would be, after step number 4, the next step would be, we would draw this circuit. We would design this filter. Now, designing this filter means, I hope you are able to see this diagram that I have shown on the PDF file, the screen which is shared. In this circuit, see the value of R1 and RF. Now you need to put the value of R that you have calculated. You need to put the value of C that you are knowing. RL approximately 1 kilo ohm. And then your designing part of op-amp would be complete. So until and unless you design the whole circuit after doing all the designing steps, till then your numerical would not be considered as complete. Are you getting my point?
Sir, can you repeat?
First of all, we should follow all the designing steps, calculate all the parameters that are not being provided from the parameters that are being provided to us. Secondly, after calculating all the parameters, we must put these values in the given circuit, the circuit that is shown on the screen. Once we put the values, then our filter would be designed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you one numerical. Please calculate and design the filter. Once you design the filter, all of you are requested to share the images on the chat box. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
For first order low pass filter, calculate R for FC is equal to 2 kilohertz and C is equal to 0.005 microfarad. For FC is equal to 2 kilohertz and C is equal to 0.005 microfarad. क्या सुदीप पहुंचे आप? बोलो बेटा.
Done, sir.
Okay. ઓકે, ઋષિનું આયો, બાકીનું હેત બેટા હેત
સર ખાલી આર ફાઇન કરવાનું કે ડિઝાઇન કરવાનું છે આખું એલપીએફ?
સર ડિઝાઇન મેં કીધું તો ખરું હમણાં સ્ટેપ્સ ફોલો કરવાનું, ડિઝાઇન કરવાનું, વેલ્યુઝ મૂકવાની અને ફોટો પાડીને ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખવાનું.
હા સર.
હેત બેટા ક્યાં ગયા? 27 નંબર. હેત
Sir,
બેટા કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયા તો પ્લીઝ ફોટો મૂકો. હા ઋષિ કઈ કહેતો તો.
sir, calculation નો પણ photo મૂકવાનો છે.
ના ભાઈ, માઇક નોટ વર્કિંગ બટ કેમેરા વર્કિંગ ના. હેત મોશિન, અનુભવ, खुश, उत्सव, 36 तो ધીરજ છે ને? કોણ છે 36?
Yes, sir.
હા બેટા ફોટો મૂકો ને પ્લીઝ. મારે દર
Yes,
વખતે
sir.
કેવું પડે એવું ના ચાલે.
સર પાસ બેન્ડ
Almost.
ગેમ
શું ભાઈ પાસ બેન્ડ ગેમ શું કરવું છે તારે પાસ બેન્ડ ગેમ નું બોલ.
સર RF અને R1 ફાઇન કરવા માટે
આ નહીં આપેલો તો શું કરીએ બોલો.
અંડર મૂકી દેશ સર પછી RF અને R1.
તો ખબર છે તો મૂક ને બાપા.
ઓકે સર.
હા 56 નંબર. ઓકે ગુડ. આ રજિસ્ટર છે કે ગ્રાઉન્ડ છે 16 કિલો?
સર ગ્રાઉન્ડ કરતો હતો ને રજીસ્ટર પછી કરી
એવું
લઈ
ના
ગયું.
53 બરાબર છે બેટા. ધ્યાન રાખો 56 નંબર બરાબર.
યસ સર.
હા 36 50 53 તો આવી ગયો. 36 13 50. હેત આજે ક્યાં ગાયબ થઈ ગયો? એને ખોટું લાગી ગયું લાગે છે. આપણે કાલે રિપોર્ટ મૂકી ને લેબ ની એમાં હેત કશું કરતો નહીં. હવે સાહેબ મારું નામ લખી દીધું એવું લાગે છે. તારો ભાઈબંધ તો આવવાનું બંધ જ થઈ ગયો વ્રજ. આવતો જ નહીં, વાત જ નહીં. 33 તો ગયો. 22 23 22 23.
Hello.
હા હેત બોલ બેટા બોલ.
Sir, મારી ટીમ ઓલરેડી સ્ટાર્ટ કરે મોબાઈલ
કઈ વાંધો નહીં, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. ફોટો મૂક બસ. હા 5 નંબર નું આવી ગયો, 50 નું આવી ગયો. ઓકે $23 નું આવ્યો. गुड चलो अनिकेत का भी आ गया. चलो बढ़िया है. गुड चलिए अब लिखिए प्लीज राइट डाउन. Now we are going to calculate the frequency response. Okay, so how to calculate the frequency response? Now we are going to plot the frequency response of a low pass filter. So लो पास फिल्टर का फ्रीक्वेंसी रेस्पॉन्स जो हमारा फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल था ना. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर हैविंग योर फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल विद यू.
Yes, sir.
યસ સર.
Yes, so in this first numerical we were having fh is equal to 1 kilohertz, c was equal to 0.01 microfarad that we have assumed, or whatever value that you have assumed, and r value that you have calculated was approximately 16 kilo ohms. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello
sir.
students. Yes or no? Yes. And with the passband gain was 2. Passband gain was 2. That means R1 was equal to RF. Okay. So we had assumed a value of R1 and RF accordingly. Fine.
યસ સર.
We have assumed the value of R1 and RF accordingly. Okay. Now guys, what we are going to do is we are going to plot the frequency response. तो frequency response plot करने के लिए हमको क्या क्या parameters चाहिए? I require 3 parameters. What are those 3 parameters? Those 3 parameters are basically the input frequency. Observation table जो बनेगा ना बेटा, उसमें क्या होगा? एक तो होगा input frequency F. Second would be the magnitude of gain, that is V0 upon V in. I repeat, that is V0 upon V in. Okay. And the third thing would be the magnitude, that is magnitude in form of decibels, 20 log V0 upon V in. Okay. So gain आएगा और फिर magnitude in terms of decibels आएगा. Okay. So V0 upon V in का फॉर्मूला क्या है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लो पास के लिए? प्लीज मुझे फॉर्मूला बताइए. Absolute value of V0 upon V in is equal to What is the
F
formula?
upon under root 1 plus bracket F upon FH whole square.
Correct. Now, what is the value of AF?
2.
What is the value of AF?
2.
2.
2.
What is the value of FH or FC?
1
1
kHz.
1 kilohertz, right? So now you are aware of the formula as well as you are also aware of the value of AF and FH. Okay. So step number 1, please write down step number 1. Calculate for F is equal to 10 hertz. Find the value of gain and the magnitude in terms of decibel. Both the values you find out. I repeat.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, for the value of F is equal to 10 hertz, for the value of F is equal to 10 hertz, please find out magnitude as well as magnitude in decibels. As well as magnitude in decibels. क्या आया magnitude? Hello. Students,
1.997.
how come?
Sir, F is equal to 10 hertz and FC is equal to 1
FH
K.
is,
So
FH is equal to 1K. So કેટલો થયો? 10 upon 1000. 0.001.
0.001. Yes, sir.
No, sorry, 0.001. No, 0.01 na.
0.01. Yes, sir.
0.01 no whole square.
1 into 10 raised to minus 4.
Plus 1.
1.001.
1.001. So it is 1.
Yes, sir.
Square root of 1.
1.
1. So 2 upon 1 is
1.
2
2.
upon 1 is
2.
2.
2.
so gain magnitude is
2.
so what is in decibels? 20 log absolute of V0 upon V in. કેટલો આવશે?
6.02.
Correct. Okay. હવે F is equal to 100 માટે કરો ચલો. For F is equal to
So 1.99.
1.99 અને magnitude
Magnitude. 5.97.
5.97.
5.97. Correct.
Yes,
Now
sir.
for 200, for F is equal to 200.
1.96.
Good. Absolute value 1.96. 20 log absolute value
5.85.
5.85.
very good. For F is equal to 700.
1.63.
1.63 અને 20 log.
4.28.
Very good. For 1000.
1.14.
No.
1.41.
Yes. 20 log.
3.010.
Yes. For 3000.
0.63.
0.632.
Magnitude, that is 20 log.
Minus 3.97.
Yes. So what is the difference now? See, when F is equal to FH, gain is 1.41, magnitude is 3 dB. Okay. And above that value, you are getting magnitude in negative terms in decibels. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now go for 7,000, 10,000 and 30,000. All of you. अनिकेत 7000 में क्या आया बेटा मैग्नीट्यूड?
So 0.28 and in decibel minus 10.96.
अनिकेत
Yes, sir.
क्या आया बेटा 7000 में?
Sir, I'm still calculating it.
ओके करो. ऋषि 10,000 નો થયો બેટા?
Yes, sir.
કેટલો આયો?
Magnitude 0.199 and in decimal minus 14.02.
Okay. Now all of you please listen. In your control systems you have already used semi-log graph paper. Do you remember that semi-log graph paper?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we need to plot the second and the third column of this observation table in the semi-log graph paper. Okay. That is, sorry, not the second and third, first and third. That is decibel versus hertz in graph paper. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in our next lecture, that is on 20th of this month, 20 April Sudima, kindly share before that the graph in our WhatsApp group, 2K19 WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Graph of the same on WhatsApp group. Do the needful. Fine.
Yes, sir.
We would cover the syllabus little bit fast now because I think up till 30th April we must be able to complete the syllabus. We will try our level best for the same. Fine. I hope you might have received the lab reports, pre-term work submission. that what is the status of the few students who have not submitted it up till now. Whatever are your reasons, please do it as fast as possible. Fine.
Yes, sir.
In case of any doubts or queries, you are free to ask. Otherwise, you may leave. Thank you for coming, for attending the lectures. Thank you, guys. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, sir.